Okay, class. Good morning. Um, Previously, ito ang topic is HTML, and then katong gipahiman ako na page sa inyong homepage. Uh, Most of you are using table instead of UL. It's not a proper way to use the table for your menu. So I'm going to demo how to create the menu, and then you need to create new pages like the about page, the contact page, and the gallery. So that will be your activity this afternoon for CC 101. And make sure that the three pages are connected and connected to your home page, and make sure that it is the HTML and CSS are applied. So instead of Notepad, start using your Repl. Okay, use the HTML CSS JS language, then rename to first website. Sure, pwede rin mo mag-story ha? Ay, alam mo gilog kay. Makuan raman ni siya. Di naman mo madunggan. So here you have your first default pages. Here is your index.html. That would be the first page that will appear on your screen when you open your file. And there is a script.js. We will not going to tackle that one for now. And style.css. Here is your where is your styles will be placed. So instead of injecting your CSS in your HTML, we're going to apply here style.css. This is connected to your index.html. So index.html is where your HTML document and elements are going to be structured. So just like here, naghapon din natin HTML head, and then the body. So we're going to remove the script since we're not going to use this one. And here is your title, and then the link. This link is connected to your style.css. So if you have outside or another files or another page that you're going to connect into your index.html, you're just going to add another line here and add the link tag to connect to other pages. Just for example, you want to import Google Fonts or Font Awesome. So, Google Fonts. So just search how to use Google Fonts and apply it to your page. Also Font Awesome. So Font Awesome or the site that you're going to you can grab here some icons. Here's the Google Fonts and Font Awesome, and is another one, Icon Finder. There are free icons here you can use for your logos and your icons. Okay, so first you're going to rename your title to first website. And then say H1 for your heading. let's run. It's here, hello world. Okay, so here let's try the roboto. So let's use the light, select the style, and this one, the medium, and then here now I link this one. You're just going to copy this and paste it into your above the style. Okay. It's okay to put it in above your or below your title. Usually meta is above your title and the links are below the title. Same with using font awesome icons. Just going to grab those links and apply it to your page. Okay. Okay, start here. Make sure to use comments. So here would be the navigation or your menu. Okay, so for your menu, let's wrap this one with dev. The dev is one of the wrapper, right? So you're going to wrap this one so that we can put the class and class name. It's like nav. Okay. And then for menu, we're going to use UL unlisted. And the list. Okay. So here's the list. And then inside your list would be your home. So for example, this one, let's run. You have here home. And then when we need to, okay, let's add it first. So your home, we need to make it dynamic. So we're going to add a name tag and a tag with href attribute. Do not forget the href attribute. And then the home. Okay, let's run. So here's the link. So just copy and paste this list. It's about contact, gallery, and then contact. Okay. Here we are going to add another one, another div. And we're going to name it as your it's container first, and then another one. Another div for your let's say this would be your main content. So here inside your main content we're going to okay, which one? Welcome to my first website. Okay. Next, before we proceed to all the other contents, let's do the footer first before we proceed to CSS. Just search the copyright symbol, copy, so first website is the name of your page, or that's why you're going to put it there. White reserve. Okay, it's run. Okay, so here we're going to design or put a style on our navigation bar. So since our style is already connected to our HTML, so let's go directly here, and then the first style that we're going to create is the nav. So here's the nav, and let's put a color into our nav. So since it's a class, we need to use dot. So when you say dot is for the class, but if it is an ID, say we put here ID, say nav menu. So let's say the ID is nav menu. So we're going to use the sharp symbol or the number sign, and then the nav menu. So that's how you're going to create an ID selector for the style, for CSS style, and a class using the dot. So for now we're going to focus on class, not yet using ID. Let's try to put background color into our nav. So you're going to use background color and then green. Okay. Let's run. Here is the background color for green. So next we're going to this one, the UL. So we need to remove that dot, the bullets inside our UL. So this is how. So we need to trace the tree. It's like tracing a tree. So the mother of the mother element for this is the nav, and the next is the UL. That's why you're going to start with the class nav and then the UL. So that's that nav. So the class nav and then the UL, and then curly braces. Inside that, you're going to add the properties, style properties. So let's say how we're going to remove the bullets, the style. So here's the list style. Wait. Oops. It's not a square, but list style none. Okay. List. Sorry. Okay. Okay. The bullets now removed. Next. So we're going to this text. We need to align it in one row or one line. So again, we're going to trace it now. UL LI. Okay, here nav UL and then LI. So we're going to display inline. It's inline block. Okay. Okay, it's now one line, and then let's put a padding. Padding is the spaces between the LI. So we need to put a space of this LI against the another LI. Okay, so let's put a padding like 10 px. So let's say left 10 px. Then let's put a padding right 10 px. Okay. Okay, and then another is padding top and then padding bottom. Okay, so and then next we need to change the color of the text. So here we're going to nav UL and then LI and then the A tag. So A tag is now we can we can access the home by using this element, which is the last element. So we can access here. So that's why the A tag itong gamiton para ma-change na to ang color niya. So let's say nav UL LI and then the A tag. Okay. So we're going to change the color to white. Say white. Okay, and then it's going to remove the underline, so it's like a text decoration. Set into none. Run. Okay, so if we want to change it to uppercase, so it's just to transform uppercase. Run. Okay. Okay, see, it is now have a link. And then if you want to change the color, if we hover the pointer of your mouse, so let's just say copy this one. Okay, and then use hover. Okay, so let's say color, still color. If you want to change the background, you can also change the background. So let's say change it to aqua, then run, and you hover it, change the color. And if you want also to change the background, you can also change the background color. Say here. Run. Okay. So if you wanted the color, the padding or the space between here, so we will just going to change this padding to put it here inside the A. Okay. If that is necessary. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, okay, something like that. Okay, so next we're going to change the color of your body. Is here for main content. Change the background color. Oops, sorry. Let's say this one. So if you want to remove the spaces between this, so let's the container. We have a container div before our main content. So let's remove the padding. Padding 0, margin 0. See. Oops. And then here. So oh. See, okay, inside our nav also. Okay, so the spaces between them is caused by the nav. Okay, and next is let's put a padding here, so that inside our main content should have spaces. It's like 30 px. Okay. And let's change the color of the welcome. So let's say H1. Next is change the color. I mean footer. We have a footer here. So change the color of the footer. And then the footer and the P. Color of the P is white. If you want white, let's say who owns the bag? Let's put a padding inside of footer. Okay, let's add an image here. Source. So the source is where the directory of your HTML, I mean your image. So it's so here we're going to find for example an image of the dog, or if that's your image, so you can also use that. Kitten JF. px. Let's try this one. Oops. It's not. I guess it's not. It's not something that we can use. Let's find another. Okay, this one. Can use this one.
What is on the back? What is on the back? What's the answer number 1? What is on the back?
Okay.
The red sun.
So if you want to center everything here, so that is inside the main content,
What's your answer number 2?
it's just put there text align center. Okay, it's center now. It's also put a padding in between the text and the image. So let's say a padding, let's say 20 px. Okay. So how are we going to create another page and link here in our home page? So let's just create here at the file, and let's create the about, and then don't forget the HTML. We were just going to copy everything here. Just remove the content here inside. So let's say about page, about me. Let's run this, and then okay, here in your index, so instead of sharp, you're going to use the index.html. And then next is here in your about, you're going to change it to about.html. The same here, your about, so you just copy this one. Oh, sorry. So just run. So when we click the about, it will go to about page. We're going to click the home, it will go back to the home page. Okay. So that's it. You're going to design again, continue your home page. Okay, so if you want to create another page, gallery, so change this to gallery.html and then contact.html, add a file here, and then design, style your pages, use the home page that you have created already, paste it here inside your index.html. Make sure that your navigation bar is like this, not a table, and also it should be submitted this afternoon 4:30 only. And if you have any more questions, just message lang sa GC.